There are 3 simple steps to enrol on an OU undergraduate module, but before we start, there are a couple of important points to note. You should have already completed your qualification registration and have access to Student Home. See our qualification registration video if you need help to register. Our main start dates for modules are in October and February, with the deadline for enrolment around 3 weeks before. To avoid disappointment, please enrol early to ensure a place on your chosen course. Let's get started. Step 1. All undergraduate modules are enrolled on through Student Home, unless you're studying a standalone module. Log in and click Choose Your Modules, which will take you to the module chooser for your qualification. Listed are all the relevant qualification stages and modules, so simply choose your route and the module or modules you wish to study, noting that some modules are compulsory and must be studied in order. Each module is linked to give a full description, any entry requirements and other key information you need to know. If you've got any questions at this point, please contact us using the options on our website. When you're ready to enrol on your first module, go back to the module chooser and click on the tick box for your chosen start date. This will add the module to your basket and you can add multiple modules at a time. Then check your basket and click Continue. You can now review the recommended time needed to commit to your studies. For example, a typical 60-credit module is on average 16 to 18 hours of study per week. If you've any questions about your study plans, please get in touch. Next, click Proceed to Enrol to confirm your choice. Step 2. You're now ready to enrol on your module. Click Proceed. Check the summary of your module and click Register. You'll be asked to confirm that you've read the module description. Click on the module description link if you need to. Then you'll be asked to confirm a few details about yourself and confirm your email address. Next, you'll see the payment options for your module, which may vary depending on the module and nation or country you're resident in. Don't worry though, you don't have to pay now. You can come back at any time before the final enrolment date to complete your registration. If you need any help, see our videos. If you're unsure of your payment method, click Pay Later. Other videos will guide you through payment methods. The next page will ask you to check important information and confirm your fee eligibility. Again, this may vary depending on your country of residence. Once you've read the information and confirmed, we'll hold a place for you on your chosen module until you have made payment. Step 3. You'll then get confirmation that we are holding your place and you'll also receive a confirmation email. Now you can print your registration agreement if you prefer to register by post, or you can return to your student home and complete your enrolment later. Please remember that you should complete your enrolment by the final enrolment date of your module. This can be found in your confirmation email and on your student home. Once we've confirmed your enrolment, we'll be with you from day one, helping you discover the huge benefits of online learning. From familiarising you with the best resources available to exploring the amazing study materials on offer, we'll encourage and support you to succeed from the start. And if you need any help at any time, please get in touch.